Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this sliced text effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, I will go to solid color and add a background color. Now, let's add our text and position it. Next, select the polygonal lasso tool, draw a line, and divide it by adding a layer mask. Afterward, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Select the layer mask of the duplicated layer and press Ctrl+I to invert the selection. Then, choose the Move tool and shift the lower slice to the right. Create a new layer. And while holding the Ctrl key, click on the layer mask of the duplicated layer to select the upper slice. Now, select the newly created layer and pick the brush tool. Adjust the brush size to your preferences and draw a shadow under the upper slice. Finally, press Ctrl+D to deselect the layer mask and move the upper slice downward to cover the gap accordingly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.